Are you struggling to keep up with the ever-changing world of digital marketing? You're not alone. 1. Lack of knowledge. Many businesses feel lost in the sea of digital marketing jargon. Understanding where to start and how to build a solid foundation can be overwhelming. 2. Staying updated with trends. Digital marketing trends are constantly evolving. Staying up to date with the latest tools, strategies, and platforms can feel like an impossible task. 3. Ineffective strategies. Even when you think you've got it figured out, ineffective strategies can lead to wasted time, effort, and resources, leaving you feeling stuck. Introducing DigitizePro's simplified digital marketing solutions, a program designed to turn your challenges into opportunities. No matter where you are on your journey, we have a solution for every level. Foundation Package Building Knowledge. Start with our Foundation Package to build a solid understanding of digital marketing essentials with easy-to-follow lessons and hands-on materials. Growth Package Keeping Up with Trends. With the Growth Package, stay ahead of the curve. Learn the latest trends and strategies to keep your business at the forefront of digital marketing. Mastery Package Creating Effective Strategies. Our Mastery Package is designed for those ready to craft powerful, effective strategies that drive real results, supported by expert consultations and premium tools. Gain structured learning, expert consultations, practical tools, and a supportive community. Ready to overcome your digital marketing challenges? Click the link in the description to register for a 2-week free trial to kick off your journey with DigitizePro's simplified digital marketing solutions.